There's a rhythm in the road. If you've ever ridden far enough, you've heard it too. I'm Krash, veteran, coal miner, biker, music junkie. I ride for peace, and sometimes I just hear the silence between the noise.
Hey legends, welcome to On the Road with Krash. This is where I share my journey on two wheels, not just the roads I ride, stories they unlock. Scenic routes, rough terrain, music that fits the mood, and a bit of raw, real life in between.
Every episode I'll take you along for a ride through the outback, rain, twisties or coastlines. I'll show you the routes I travel, the thoughts in my helmet, and the soundtrack that fuels my journey.
I'm not here to be flashy. I'm here to be real. This channel is for anyone who rides, anyone who listens, and anyone trying to make sense of the road ahead.
New videos drop as often as I can ride. You'll get ride vlogs, curated playlist, gear I trust, and moments I'll never forget.
If you ever felt something shift in the moment you twist the throttle, then you're in the right place. Subscribe, follow along, and let's ride this thing together. I'm Krash, and this is On Road with Krash.
Every road has a rhythm. Let's find it.